path forward isn't simple, but it's clear. We have to build differently. What happens when data meets sustainability? Today on Earth Day, we're proud to launch the next chapter of something bigger than a book. We're taking a movement to the next level. Greener Data. Volume 3 brings together the brightest minds across digital infrastructure, sustainability, and innovation to push this industry forward at a critical moment.
There's never been a better time for greener data. AI today is driving an unprecedented boom in data center build, which will allow us to solve some of our more complex challenges going forward, but which is also triggering a huge increase in the industry's environmental footprint. Can we meet new AI and other compute demand in an energy and water-constrained world in a way that is responsible to the planet and to local communities while still offering continued opportunity to operators? With the help of 75 industry thought leaders and next-generation green talent, this latest volume of Greener Data offers insight, inspiration, and practical guidance to help answer this question. Check out our new views on data center sustainability.
Power is becoming the gating factor, and sustainability is no longer a side conversation. It's central to every decision being made. The path forward isn't simple, but it's clear. We have to build differently.
What happens when the fastest growing technology in the world collides with the planet's most urgent challenge? What happens when data meets sustainability? Today, on Earth Day, we're proud to launch the next chapter of something bigger than a book. We're taking a movement to the next level. Greener Data Volume 3 brings together the brightest minds across our digital infrastructure, sustainability, and innovation ecosystem to push this industry forward at a very critical moment. This year's edition goes deeper than ever before, exploring the intersection of AI and exponential energy demand, the future of power and grid resilience, water usage and environmental responsibility, the next generation workforce shaping what comes next, and the increasing collaboration across industry, academia, nonprofits, and policymakers to drive real progress. These aren't challenges any one organization can solve alone. It takes coordination across the entire ecosystem: operators, utilities, policymakers, communities. Across the globe, these voices are shaping what comes next, bringing new urgency, new ideas, new solutions to the table. As Mary highlights, this moment is about convergence, where AI, infrastructure, and sustainability are no longer separate conversations. They are deeply connected and must be solved together. We are at an inflection point, no doubt. AI is scaling faster than infrastructure can possibly keep up. Power is becoming the gating factor, and sustainability is no longer a side conversation. It is central to every decision being made. The path forward is not simple, but it is clear. We have to build differently. What started as a single idea has grown into a powerful, industry-wide movement, one that continues to gain momentum with every new voice added. Volume 3 isn't just a continuation, it's an evolution. More voices, more urgency, more solutions. Because this is where ambition turns into execution. What's actually working, what's not, and where real progress is being made. And together, that choice becomes progress. Greener Data, Volume 3, is now live, available today on Earth Day. Please read it, share it, be part of what comes next. If we move forward together, we don't just build infrastructure, we build a more sustainable future.
What started as a single idea has grown into a powerful industry-wide movement, one that continues to gain momentum with every new voice added.
Greener data means to me exactly what Volume 3 has encompassed. In the truest sense of the word, it's looking at industry leaders, the power demand, the AI race, and really the people and the communities that are impacted by the future of data centers. It's exciting to see how we can match things like speed, scale, and availability, and in some ways turn it on its head and apply it to sustainable outcomes. How do we prioritize solutions that will have future generations looking back and know that we solved not only the AI race, but really the race for a planet that is thriving and communities that are really embracing a future that embodies technology and the environment.
So greener data to me means being conscious of the environment, the communities you work in, while still being efficient and effective. And we want to be sure that no matter what happens with the weather in any geographic location, that we have extremely fault-tolerant data centers built into from day one.
Whether you are new to the data center industry or have been a seasoned professional, greener data is really a great point of entry that allow you to learn about what are some latest challenge and opportunity in building a sustainable data center. It is like a behind-the-scene tour of what the industry leaders are thinking about and planning on to build the next generation of digital infrastructure.
To me, when I think sustainability, when I think greener data, I always go towards systems thinking and identifying collectively the opportunities that we can leverage together to ensure that these new developments benefit the collective good. We all need data centers, and we know that they want to be good neighbors, good grid citizens. This book, for me, really spotlights some of the innovative and inspiring ways that they can, and really that they have, worked to do that.
You know, when I think about greener data, especially in the data center space, you know, it's not just about optimizing our digital footprint or reducing, you know, our carbon emissions. You know, I think it in the industry, sometimes we get lumped into a bucket that, you know, the general public thinks that we're abusers of carbon footprint. And I think just the opposite is true. We're great innovators in the things, the systems that we're building and the concrete that we're using, the way that we build data centers today, the way we manage them. And I think the Greener Data book in this version 3 or volume 3 is a great opportunity for the industry to further tell our story about just how innovative we are and how much we care about reducing the carbon footprint that we produce.
Greener Data, Volume 3 is now live. Available today on Earth Day. Read it, share it, be part of what comes next.